Okay, here's the machine. And here's the power button. You see it won't go off. Here's the number. And this is with the new card that you guys sent me. And here it go. Now let's turn it over. So you can see me turn it over. And when you turn it over, here go the new number. There go the number. And I hope you can see the serial number. There's the serial number. Right there. And the number. So we're going to turn it back over. And you see we opened it. It opened. It opened. And it's still on. Still on. So there's my video. I hope you can help me, please. I miss my machine.